Hello, everyone. We are back for Newbie Bite number 23, and as promised, we are going to talk about looping over dictionaries. Before we jump directly into the for loops for dictionaries, let's think back to one of the earlier videos and let's think about how we actually retrieve data from dictionaries. So we have our fake dictionary here with the different key and values. And remember, if you use dictionary dot keys, it returns just the keys. Dot values is just the values. However, dot items returns the keys and the values as a pair. This is where we're going to focus all of our energy on today. So let's go take a look at this in an actual program. Here we have our movie ratings dictionary. If you remember, this has the names of the movies plus their ratings from IMDb. Let's start with the for loop here, and we'll say for movie, comma, rating in movie ratings dot items. Remember from the last video, we had one object name here and it was just the movie in movies. We need to have two objects because items returns a pair. It returns both the key and the value. So we need to have an object for the key and an object for the value. And then from here we can say print an F string and we'll say, now we have access to both the movie and the rating. Let's see what this looks like. So Star Wars has a rating of 8.6, Batman has a rating of 7.5, and so on. So we have now iterated using the for loop over every item in the dictionary with both the movie name and the rating. Hopefully this was helpful. Good luck on today's bite.